are on the Ovation of the Seas, bound for Alaska from Seattle. What is included in the complimentary dining and snacks? What do you get for your price that you paid without anything additional? I will show you that and more. Let's get started. I deliver helpful cruise tips and inspiration for your future cruise travel. Your main source of food comes from the Windjammer Cafe, and that is a buffet that is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and it is limited hours, but this is one of the main places that everyone goes to eat food, and I'll be showing you a little bit about what it is. We have very entertaining hosts that greet you. They're super nice. Guy.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Good morning. Welcome.
Good morning.
Washi. Happy.
Here's a sampling of some lunch options. Today's menu is seafood chowder. Has all types of food from paninis to meats, cheeses, chicken, pork, you name it, it has it. And no matter what kind of dish you're looking for, you'll find something worth trying there. The Windjammer has all types of food from vegetarian to Indian to Asian to gluten-free to just about anything that you can imagine, it's here. And like I said, there's breakfast, lunch, and dinner served. This is just a sampling of the lunchtime menu. I love it. My view on the buffet this morning. There are roughly about 8 places that you can dine or have snacks that will be cost-free or not costing very much, and I will be talking about all those. The buffet especially is, you know, something that you can definitely take advantage of, but if you want to branch out a bit, there is the cafe at 270 that is downstairs, and that is actually almost just like the buffet on a smaller scale. Cafe at 270 has a nice assortment. Thai chicken noodle salad, grilled cheese sandwiches, and some desserts. There's coffee there, and also they have great muesli and some breakfast burritos in the morning. The difference between Cafe 270 and the buffet would be the seating. There isn't a lot of seating, but you can go into the 270 lounge, which is a huge circular area that they perform in during the nighttime, and it's at the very after the ship, and you can sit there and enjoy your food. But as far as it's more of a to-go place where you would take your meal somewhere else. If you're wanting additional coffee, say a latte or a macchiato, you can buy a coffee at Starbucks, or you can use a restaurant called the La Patisserie downstairs. It's kind of like a cafe, and they do use Starbucks products, but your coffee card is good there, and so is your drink package if you have one. And if you're a Diamond member, your drink 4 drinks a day, coffee works here. You can get one free. And also there's some great pastries to buy. I bought a muffin today. They were like $1.95. I know you think, why do I need to buy something? But that's just how it is. And it just, if you don't want to deal with lines and commotion, and say you want to go buy a cup of coffee and a muffin and just walk over to 270 like I was showing you and sit down and enjoy a quiet, light breakfast, that's the thing to do. My tip to you. Across the way is Sorrentos Pizza. It's free of charge, and they have a specialty called the Caribbean Dream that's pineapple barbecue and bacon. Right next door to Sorrentos is Cafe Promenade, and this is a place you can grab a coffee, basic coffee, water, some snacks, and then the menu rotates daily. Places have a tendency to be busy when the buffet is closed. One of the complimentary things you can have is the Doghouse. It's not open right now, but you can have hot dog, chicken and apple sausage, smoked Barbarian bratwurst, Sicilian pork sausage, topped with sauerkraut or onions, coleslaw, potato chips are the sides, and all that is complimentary. New restaurant up near the pool area is called Fish and Chips. It's a classic fish and chips restaurant. They have some things that are complimentary and then some things that may cost you anywhere from $3 to $10. Deep fried candy bar seems to be a hit. Pollock, fish, chips. Oh, that looks good. Popcorn shrimp. Solaris Bistro is located in the solarium. It serves up Mediterranean flavor and it's fresh with a rotating menu. You can get breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Dinner is by reservation only. For our set dining times, check the app for that information. So the coastal kitchen is for sweet guests. It's kind of like that. I can't really go in. Your favorite treat, sprinkles, soft serve ice cream at the poolside is a favorite. Royal Caribbean is full of energetic employees. The food is good, it's hot, there's a lot of variety, and you will really enjoy it. Next week's video will be the main dining room and what you can expect. It's been my pleasure showing you around the Ovation of the Seas, and if you haven't already done so, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.